Okay, so I'm not sure how many of you have used Pubmed before, but this is a great tool when you're looking for articles. The address up here is a little bit different, but if you go into worldwideweb.pubmed.gov, it's .gov, not .com, okay, you're going to find this website. So what I'm wanting you guys to do for this assignment is I want you to find some research related to flexibility and movement. So I'm just going to type in flexibility right here, and so you can see there's a whole bunch of um, ideas here. And so let's just look at flexibility and training. All right, and so if I look at this number right here, it says there's one of 94 articles related to flexibility and training, but that's one of 94. Actually, there's 1,863 articles, so that's a bunch. So if you look over here on the left-hand side, you can click on free full text. I would probably do within the 5 years. You can do 5 or 10 years. So it narrows that down to 1,133, and I want to do humans. And that even narrows that down into even more, so 535. And so what I want you guys to do is spend a little bit of time looking for an article as it relates to flexibility. Build a paragraph on the importance of flexibility, because in this assignment you actually are going to be testing a new flexibility device. So I want you to write at least half a page with at least 3 references related to flexibility, and I want you to include those references.